camera set up right, but every time something messes up, I end up with this camera here disconnecting, and then I won't be able to see that it's disconnected because I'll be sitting lower than the camera. Well then, that's something. Oh, there's a cat next door. Oh, sorry, I'm looking at the window. Well, I don't know how to fix that. So, I guess I'll just have to stand up. I'm going to do something I saw today. A friend shared it with me. Someone's making face masks, and let's see if I don't know if this is big enough. Hang on, I've got a measuring tape. I can show you how big it is. Where is my measuring tape? Be over here somewhere. Right, it is. I haven't ironed it or anything. I don't actually have an iron. I've lost a wee bit of metal for the end of it. Look at that. It is approximately 35 centimeters, which is almost 14 inches. It's 13 and 3/4 ish. I don't know if that's wide enough, but that's fine. I'll try it anyway. Right, how did she do it again? I'll try and link the instructions somewhere. I'll try and find her name as well, because I didn't actually see it when I was watching it. Okay. This is just cotton. 100% cotton. Probably no good for actual medical use, but if you've got a cough and you're afraid about spreading something from yourself to someone else, it's probably okay in just sort of general use, I'd imagine. Right. But, you know, you've got your elbow, you can just use your elbow if you feel a cough coming on. It's the unexpected coughs that are the problem. Right. It was folded twice. And then what did she do? I think this side is the inner side. Wait. Confusing. I've got a mark on it as well that I haven't been able to wash off. To try washing it again. Right, see this mark here? I'll show you. That is actually from a clothes moth that has made its little cocoon there. Like it's folded the cloth over on itself. It's wrapped itself up in it, and then it's come out and it's a moth. Caterpillar's done that, and then it's a moth. Which is great, because they make holes in all of your clothes. Right, it was wider than this, the piece she had, so you probably need to get a wider piece. I'm probably far too close to the mic, because I'm trying to see what's happening with the camera. So it would be like that wide, probably. But this is too short, so this is going in here. You fold it so that there's an overlap, and then you put one of these bits in the middle, like inside that bit. Oh, I know, I've forgotten something. I've forgotten the bit where you get a bit of string or something. What do we want? Some loose bits. Could use a loose bit. Yeah. It's weird coloured, sort of supposed to be lilac, but it's sort of not. It's got a bit of yellow in it, which is really weird. Well, maybe it's just aged over the years. I'm not quite sure how long a piece you need for this. But I guess if you have too long a piece, it's not too bad. You can just cut it shorter. Probably not that long, actually. Let's see. Say we cut it that long. Right, where's the... Right, where's the measuring tape? Here's the measuring tape. Say we cut a couple of bits that are about that 35 centimeters that we had for this. those bits. So, oh, not in the middle. Pay attention to the camera again. Is that long enough, do we think? Just need to go like around your ear and around this. I don't know if that's long enough, but for demonstration purposes, I'll just make do. Right, so before you do this bit, you sort of know where it's folding, so it's fine. You put these through here, and then you fold it over them. And then these will obviously be the bits around your ears, which you need to check and see if they're long enough. But, you know, if you've got plenty of string, just make new ones if you've done it wrong the first time. I'll go back and see if this actually recorded properly later. And if it hasn't done anything weird like flipped the camera or something. Rotated the camera, I mean. Right, okay. Then you put that in there. Right, okay. That's not flat. There we go. And then these bits go over your go around your ears. These bits I'm holding here, and your face is in there, and you can sort of like to adjust it around your mouth and nose. You can pull that bit out, so your nose is under this bit here, and your mouth is under this bit here, and these are around your ears. Right, I'll see if it actually works. Hang on, test it on myself. I'm a bit muffled now, but it does need to be a longer bit of cloth though. A bit longer than 35 centimetres or almost 14 inches, so let's see, how much longer would I think it would have to be? That's really, because it's not that it doesn't work, but it's that when you pull that bit up to cover your nose more, this comes out a bit. Oh, sorry, I'm off the camera again. Do it again. Right, when you pull this layer, when that's around your face, you pull this layer up, this bit tends to come out. That's not long enough, so it would need to be folded. Let's get these off. You need to be able to fold probably right the way across. So, or almost all the way across. So it needs to be more than this amount. It would need to be a quite significant piece. So if I'm guessing, right, like 10 centimetres maybe inside this. So it's about 4 inches. So if we're saying, right, so the fold I had in was only about 4 centimetres, which is 1.5 inches-ish. So, hang on, I have to maths now, which is not always my strong point. Okay, so we started with 35. And four of that was for this overlap, but I'm not gonna get this right. Hang on, got a theory. Alright, so okay, so that's the mask. I'm folding it over. I've gone onto the inches side. Right, okay. 5 there. And I've gone in about that far. But we want to have more. So we can go in, so that's 4 centimetres, so we need go to 41 for that. And then that would, but we also want more on this side. So another 6. So my brain is stopping. Right, okay, so I'd guess 47. That's my guess. 47 centimetres would probably go for 50 probably, just to be certain. Half a metre. So that would be, 47 is there, like 18 and a half? Just to be safe, almost 20 inches. So, aye. So around this much cloth you probably need for that. Right, yes. Anyway, I'll switch this off and go and test and see if it actually worked. Thank you for helping. Bye. Cheery.